I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the PC so setup can run cleanly. First, verify whether you're installing the 32-bit or 64-bit Office Professional plus 2013. This matters for compatibility. Once done, run the installer as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus and VPN to avoid interference. Make sure Windows Update has applied recent patches and confirm. NET framework is enabled. These steps remove common blockers, so the installer can access required files and services without being blocked by security or missing components. Next, you handle the trickier middle steps where remnants and service issues usually block setup. If a partial install exists, use control panel programs and features to repair or run Office setup. EXE with repair switches to remove corrupted state. Then inspect Event Viewer, and the setup logs in %temp% for error codes so you know why it failed. Restart Windows installer and related services, and if remnants persist, remove specific Office registry keys carefully to allow a fresh install. This clears corrupted configs that cause repeated failures. Finally, run the clean installation and let it complete. After success, immediately apply the latest Office updates and re-enable antivirus. If the installer still errors, run the Microsoft Cleanup tool to remove leftover Office components, then try the offline installer to avoid network issues. Make sure you capture the exact error code and relevant log lines so you can target fixes quickly. If nothing works, create a new Windows user profile or install inside a virtual machine to isolate system-level conflicts and complete the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.